High above Lake Ringedalsvatnet in Norway, a sliver of rock called Trolltunga juts into the sky. Once a local secret, Trolltunga is now a global icon, thanks to breathtaking photos shared worldwide. The real magic isn't just the view but the challenge, a demanding hike through wild, glacial-carved landscape. Please check out my cool song on Spotify. Enjoy listening. Each step strips away daily distractions, immersing you in Norway's raw beauty. Trolltunga was sculpted by ancient glaciers, leaving behind a dramatic testament to the power of nature. Standing on the ledge, you feel the weight of eons beneath your feet, a humbling reminder of our place in Earth's story. This isn't a landmark you can drive to. The sense of accomplishment at the top is earned, not given. Trolltunga embodies the spirit of Norwegian friluftsliv, the open-air life. It's more than a destination, it's a rite of passage for adventurers. Here, the journey and the landscape become part of your own story. The hike to Trolltunga is a serious undertaking, 27 kilometers round trip with steep climbs and rugged terrain. The trail winds past waterfalls, mountain ponds, and panoramic vistas, rewarding you at every turn. Weather can shift quickly, so come prepared for anything. The challenge is real, but that's what makes reaching the ledge so exhilarating. For a shorter trek, a shuttle bus can take you part way, but the core adventure remains. Whether you hike the full distance or take the shuttle, you'll earn every view. The journey itself is as memorable as the destination. At Trolltunga, the iconic photo is a must, but the experience goes far beyond the snapshot. There's camaraderie in the queue, and a rush of awe as you step onto the ledge, suspended 700 meters above the lake. For a deeper connection, camp overnight on the plateau. As the crowds leave, you'll witness sunset and sunrise in near solitude, moments of pure magic. Early morning light transforms the landscape, offering peace and perfect photos without the crowds. Explore the plateau for quieter viewpoints and time to reflect. The hike isn't a race, it's a chance to immerse yourself in Norway's wild heart. After your photo, put the camera down and simply be present. Trolltunga is a place to savor, not just to see. Plan carefully. Trolltunga's hiking season runs from mid-June to mid-September when conditions are safest. Ada is your base for supplies and information. Wear sturdy waterproof boots and dress in layers. Pack food, water, and a headlamp. Book parking and shuttles online in advance, and start your hike early, no later than 8 a.m. Respect your limits. This is a strenuous trek, not suitable for everyone. Stay on marked trails to protect the fragile environment and for your safety. If weather turns, don't hesitate to turn back. Mountain rescue is difficult here. Preparation is key. With smart planning and respect for nature, your Trolltunga adventure will be unforgettable. It's a journey that will test, inspire, and reward you with Norway's wild beauty. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Until next time.